Are you getting some issues on your PC while playing COD Black Ops 6? Then you are at the right place. We have got the best ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check system requirements. When you are having issues playing Black Ops 6, first make sure your system meets the minimum requirements to run the game. Here are the system requirements for the game. Minimum requires a 64-bit processor and operating system. OS Windows 10 64-bit. Processor AMD Ryzen 5 1400 or Intel Core i5-6600. Memory 8GB RAM. Graphics AMD Radeon RX 470, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 960 or Intel Arc A580. DirectX version 12. Network broadband internet connection. Additional notes: SSD with 128GB available space at launch. Recommended requires a 64-bit processor and operating system. OS Windows 10 64-bit or Windows 11 64-bit. Processor AMD Ryzen 5 1600X or Intel Core i7-6700K. Memory 12GB RAM. Graphics AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT or NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 Ti or RTX 3060. DirectX version 12. Network broadband internet connection. Additional notes: SSD with 128GB available space at launch. You can also visit this link and check out the system requirements for the game. The link is provided in the description below, so you can copy and paste it from there. Method 2. Launch COD Black Ops 6 from the installation folder. Sometimes launching the game from the game launcher can cause the game to crash. So launch the game directly from its installation folder. Open Steam and right-click on the game. Here we are showing the steps with this game. The method is same for Black Ops 6. Go to Properties, select Installed Files and click on Browse. This should take you to the game installation folder. Try launching the game from here. Method 3. Run the game or Steam as an admin. The next thing you can do is run the game or Steam as an administrator. The game files may sometimes need administrative privileges to run, else it can crash or freeze. So go to the game or Steam installation folder. Right-click on the exe and open its properties. Head to the Compatibility tab and check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and then on OK. Now launch the game and check. Go to the Compatibility tab as shown earlier. Check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode for the option. Select a Windows version and click on Apply and then on OK. Method 4. Verify the game files. Missing or corrupted game files can also cause issues like this, so verify the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam platform. Head to the Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Here we are showing this as an example. The steps are the same for Black Ops 6. Go to the Install Files tab and then verify the integrity of the game files. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and download the missing file or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 5. Disable full screen optimization. The next thing you can do is disable full screen optimization. Go to the game installation folder. Open the game folder. Right-click on the game exe and open its properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and disable full screen optimization. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the changes. Method 6. Troubleshoot the graphics drivers. Make sure to update the graphics drivers before you start gaming. This should help you avoid issues while gaming and boost performance and gaming experience. Here is how you can update your graphics drivers. Right-click on the Windows search button and choose Device Manager. Go to the Display Adapter section and then expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver. Select the Update Driver option. Click on the Search automatically for drivers option and follow the instructions provided on screen to download and install the latest driver. If updating graphics drivers doesn't work, you can reinstall them. Expand the Display Adapters section and right-click on your graphics driver. Click on the Uninstall Device option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After installation of the drivers, install them again. For the AMD graphics driver, install the Radeon app, then run it. Similarly, for NVIDIA graphics drivers, install and run the GeForce Experience. You should visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics card drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. Then rerun the app to check for any updates. If any updates are available, download and install them. If you have multiple GPUs for your system, then make sure to use the one for gaming, as this can tackle the graphics-intensive tasks well. So using the dedicated GPU for gaming can avoid issues while playing games like Black Ops 6. There are different ways to check if you are running the dedicated graphics card depending on your operating system and the specific card you have. You can follow the method shown here. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. You should see two adapters listed here. One for your dedicated graphics card and one for your integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card will have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed. So make sure to run the game with a higher memory size to avoid loading or crashing issues. Method 7. Set the power settings to high performance. For a better gaming experience, set the power settings to high performance. This will allow the PC to go for performance optimization over power saving. Type Control Panel in the Windows search bar and select it. Look for Power Options and select it. Expand the Show Additional Plans if you don't see the High Performance plan listed. Check the High Performance plan option. Check if this could boost the gaming performance. Method 8. Configure Windows game settings. For the optimal FPS, check that the Windows game settings are properly configured. Enter game mode in the Windows search bar and open the top result. Make sure the game mode toggle is turned on. Next, go back and click on the game bar tab. Turn the game bar off. Next, go back and click on the Captures tab. Disable Record What Happened and Capture Audio when recording a game toggles. Method 9. Turn off overlay. Turning off overlays can boost gaming performance and fix issues while gaming. In this video, we are showing you how to disable Steam overlay. Open Steam and head to Library. Find COD Black Ops 6 and right-click on it. Expand its properties. From the General tab, uncheck the Enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. Also, disable other overlay apps like GeForce Experience, Discord, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay or AMD overlay. Method 10. Allow the game through firewall. Ensure that your firewall is not blocking the game. Add COD Black Ops 6 to the list of allowed applications in your firewall settings. Here is how to add COD Black Ops 6 to the list of allowed applications in firewall. Open the Windows Security app using the search menu. Now click on the Firewall and Network Protection option. After that, tap on the Allow an app through firewall option from the right side pane and then press the Change Settings button. Next, click on the Allow another app button and then press the Browse button to select the game exe file. Click on Open and then click on the Add button. You will now see the game under the list of allowed apps and features. Tick the checkbox associated with the game and enable it on both public and private networks. Once done, you can press the OK button to save changes. Finally, you can relaunch the game file and check. Method 11. Disconnect the USB devices. Sometimes the USB devices attached to your PC can also cause gaming issues. So disconnect the peripherals like HOTAS, pedals, mouse, wheel, Razer Teteras, or any additional USB adapter connected to your PC. You should also disconnect any joystick, controller, or multiple monitor setup. Method 12. Increase VRAM. Type Advanced System Settings in the Windows search menu and select the top search result. Under Performance, click Settings. Go to the Advanced tab. Under Virtual Memory, click Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Choose the drive where you want to store the paging file. Select Custom Size. In the Initial field, enter a value equal to 1.5 times of your total available RAM. In the Maximum Size field, enter a value that is 3 times of your total RAM. To check that, open Windows Settings and then from the System tab, select About. Check the RAM. Once you have set the value, click on Set, then OK twice. Then restart your PC. Method 13. Reinstall DirectX. Another thing you can do is reinstall DirectX. Type in DirectX on Google and click on the top option for Microsoft. You can also click on the link given in the description. Download the DirectX setup file, and after the download is complete, run the exe file. Click on Yes to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the downloading process or follow as shown. Make sure to uncheck Bing bar box. Let the installation process complete. After it is complete, restart your PC and then try to launch the game. Method 14. Install the Visual C++ redistributables. Next, you can install the Visual C++ redistributables. What you need to do is search Visual C++ redistributables in Google. Click on the first link of Microsoft.com. We also have provided this link in the description, so you don't have to search. Download the Visual Current C++ redistributables available. Remember to download the correct architecture, like downloading x64 for 64-bit systems and x86 for 32-bit systems. Install the downloaded file as shown. Now restart your PC. After the PC restarts, run the game and the issue should be fixed. And there you have it. The methods to fix when COD Black Ops 6 is having some issues on PC. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.